Welcome to Teach Yourself Something. Gemini is the third astrological sign in the zodiac, typically represented by the twin symbol. People born under the sign of Gemini are known for being intelligent, curious, and adaptable, but also for being somewhat unpredictable and prone to change. If you are dating a Gemini, here are a few things you might want to keep in mind. Geminis are known for their curious and inquisitive nature, so they may ask a lot of questions and be interested in learning about new things. This can make them great conversationalists and fun to be around. Geminis can be a bit unpredictable and may change their minds or plans frequently. This can be frustrating at times, but it's important to remember that this is just part of their nature and not a personal attack. Geminis value their freedom and independence, so they may not be the most affectionate or expressive partners. However, this doesn't mean they don't care about you, it just means they need a little more space to do their own thing. Geminis are known for their excellent communication skills, so they may enjoy talking about their feelings and discussing problems openly. This can be helpful for maintaining a healthy and honest relationship. Geminis are social creatures and enjoy being around people. They may want to go out and try new things, so be prepared for an active and exciting relationship. Geminis can be a bit scatterbrained at times, so they may need a little extra help with organization and planning. Geminis are known for their intelligence and wit, so they may enjoy engaging in thoughtful and intellectual conversations. Geminis can be a bit flirty and may enjoy the attention of others, but this doesn't necessarily mean they are not committed to the relationship. It's important to communicate openly and honestly with your Gemini partner about your feelings and boundaries. Geminis value honesty and transparency in their relationships, so be sure to be open and upfront with them about your thoughts and feelings. Thanks for watching. We hope you have taught yourself something. Please like and subscribe for more ways to teach yourself something.